What is up, guys? So we recently got verified on Hustlesasa, and that is fantastic news. But why the hell is our mind so pumped, so excited for this? Number one, you need to get verified in order for you to make withdrawals on your particular storefront. Number two, this enables customers to be more confident in purchasing from your store because they know that you are verified. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the entire verification process, documents you need to get verified, and a live withdrawal right now so that we can check out how fast the withdrawal is. And with that said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and let's get straight to it. So to start out, go into the app and click on contact section, email them, say maybe you need assistance to verify your application. And once you have done this, Susan will get back to you, or Karen, with a form with a link as such. Click on the link, then go ahead and just set your full names, appreciate my background, then just hit on OK. Then you also need to fill in a verification ID. So just go ahead and take a photo of yourself while holding your national ID. This is necessary to verify that you're actually not a bot and you're actually an actual Kenyan citizen. Pretty standard procedure. And once that has completed uploading, just click on next or OK. And once you have finished this, just accept that you're fully responsible for all the content on your storefront. Enter the URL to your store and then just hit on OK. The team on Hustlesasa is very fast and I appreciate them for this. So enter your email and hit on submit.
24 hours later.
And there, Roberts got back with me with my link and said my account is now verified. So let's go ahead and do a withdrawal because that is what I promised. So let me just enter my phone number. For the account name, just enter your link name. And what I also like about this, you have several providers to choose from. If you have a bank account, you can put it directly to that bank account and just hit the amount that you want to withdraw. Let me do 150 and click on withdraw, and the withdrawal is processing. So let's check out how long that takes. And yeah, the notification came within 10 minutes, so that was pretty fast. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next.
I see the constellations. They remind me that this life